This is the Sangin Instruments Professional Chronograph, a mission-ready tool watch built with an on-demand stopwatch function while maintaining 300 meters of water resistance. In this video, we'll walk through how to use the chronograph, how to set the time and date, and how to zero out your chronograph hands if they're ever out of sync. A chronograph is a built-in stopwatch that you can start, stop, and reset whenever you need. Each pusher screws down to preserve the water resistance, so be sure they're fully tightened when not in use. To start timing, unscrew and depress the 2 o'clock pusher. Press it again to pause the stopwatch function, and once more to continue timing. While paused, press the 4 o'clock pusher to reset the mechanism. The professional chronograph tracks 30-minute intervals on the 9 o'clock subdial and up to 12 hours on the 6 o'clock one. To set the time, unscrew the crown, then pull it out to position 3. The watch will stop running in this position. Rotate the crown to the desired time. Then push the crown back into position 1 to restart the movement. To set the date, pull the crown out to position 2. The watch will continue running in this position. Rotate the crown to set the correct date. Push the crown back to position 1 to secure the setting. The professional chronograph uses a screw-down crown to maintain water resistance. After setting the time or date, press inward and turn the crown clockwise until it stops. This ensures the watch is fully sealed. If the chronograph hands ever become misaligned, a common occurrence after a battery change, here's how to reset them back to 0. First, unscrew and pull the crown out to the 3rd position. Now press and hold both pushers simultaneously. The chronograph hand will make a full rotation, indicating the watch is now in correction mode. Now press the top pusher repeatedly, or press and hold until the main chronograph seconds hand aligns with 12 o'clock. Then press the bottom pusher once to cycle over to the hour counter at 6 o'clock. Press the top pusher until it aligns with 12, then press the bottom pusher once again to adjust the minute counter found at 9 o'clock. When everything is aligned, push the crown back in and screw it down to secure the watch. Make sure your pushers are screwed in as well. That's everything you need to know to operate your new Sangin Instruments Professional Chronograph.